How to make money online using this simple method, especially if you are a dad or a parent of an autist. So that's the topic of today. And if we've just met on this channel, I am talking about starting or running a side hustle as a parent of an autist. And for today, I just want to be very clear and direct you to some, simple method for making money online, because one of the best thing for us as a parent of autist for getting, that side hustle is to make money online. And I know you've already heard about it. I know that you've been presented a lot of opportunities. I know that you've already tried it and maybe you have success or not success. I guess you haven't. You are not really, proud of the results that you have so far if you're still looking for some solution for making money online using a simple method. So let's be very direct on this thing. So I'm not the one who is expert about it. Yeah, that's for sure, because I'm also trying to redesign my life and I'm implementing it. So but I have a solution, and the solution is that I'm modeling and I'm partnering with an already working, successful online entrepreneur. And that's the best way to go, because you have to identify the guy who's already made it and who did it and who's willing to work with you and help you, doing the same thing and achieve the same results. Maybe it won't be the same because he's been doing it for 15 years, but yeah, you can, get a slice of the pie for it. So so the point is, the simple method is, work with guy who already made it, who is doing it, and who is helping you, achieve more, because the more you achieve, the more he gets some benefits also. And this is the thing that I am doing, and I'm talking about a program called by a guy named Anthony Morrison, and he has a program called Partner with Anthony, PWA, and I'm also a paying member of this program. It's a $7 per month program, and you see, it's the cost of one lunch per month. But from that program, what I love about it is that it's an affiliate ecosystem. And for those who don't know, affiliate means that you don't own the product, but you get commissions from the sales by recommending the same program. So this is what I'm doing. But yeah, think about it, because you can also do it by yourself and get commissions. But what I love about this program is, first, Anthony does, the closing of the sales. On a previous video, I told you that I'm not good at selling, but the guy, Anthony Morrison, he knows how to sell it. He knows how to do the follow-up. And at some point of time, he also do some, the ads for, getting more people to subscribe to that program. And it's, as I told you, it's a simple program. And the good thing about this is that he's not only giving you access to the program. So once you subscribe to the program, you get to commissions on at least 3 programs that will give you monthly recurring revenue. Remember, this is what we are trying to achieve, getting those monthly recurring revenue. So on this program, you already have 3 programs about it, and Anthony does the selling for you. What you have to do as a partner is recommend that same program, so to some people that were maybe interested. So this may be good for some parents of autists. You may think, well, this is not for me, and that's fine. I'm not trying, to force you to do something, but I just wanted to hear what is interesting about it. So not only you have the access to those programs, and then you can promote it, or whether you're using Facebook or Instagram, you will maybe on Twitter, maybe you have some friends or family, or maybe you have some local community where you can, recommend that same program, where people want to have some side hustle to make ends meet. And so, this is what we can, recommend to some people. But apart from that, you can also add that this is a program that is teaching you how to do business online. So it has a 30-day program, a daily program, teaching you how to do it, and setting the tools with you. It's a 30-day program, so at the end of the 30-day program, if you remained consistent with the program, at the end of these 30 days you will have a fully running business, online business. So don't get me wrong, you don't have to wait for these 30 days to get this thing working. But Anthony is helping you set up your online business with this 30 days program. So, which means that once you've subscribed, you can get the affiliate links for the other programs, and then he does the selling for you as long as you use the same affiliate link for promoting, recommending program. And as I told you, I love affiliate marketing, but I love promoting products that I am myself using. So I told you I'm using this Partner with Anthony program, and the good thing about Anthony's program is he's over delivering. Excuse me. Because if you're really into learning, every Thursday night he does live where he's co-creating, he's creating online businesses also that you can copy and that you can implement, which means that from time to time you get supplemental online businesses that you can copy, that you can implement also. And one of the things that at least are objections that I've received when it comes to these online businesses, people say, hey, Hery, well, this seems interesting, but we are not technical guys. We don't know how to develop websites. We don't know how to do those designs and all those technical things. So that's why we don't do this. I got you. I understand you. But the good thing about this is that, the business, the online, websites is given to you. You just have to copy, click on one link, and then it is get copies to you. And then you may have to do some 2 or 3 updates. Mainly you have to change the link so that it gets to your affiliate link, and that's it. And then you can run it. And so you're left with promoting it, recommending it to people, and sending people to this offer. And that's what is interesting, because as I told you in the topic, this is I think the simplest method to start an online business from what I saw. Because first, it doesn't cost a lot. It's cheap, $7 a month. Second, Anthony Morrison is doing the sales closing for you, which means that you recommend, and he does the sales, he does the the follow-up and all those things. Third, you get the tools for free. Well, at least it's included into your subscription, which means that talking about this, the websites, the email sequences that need to be used, and all those things are given to you, which means it's a full-fledged package that you can get as long as you do the subscriptions. And fourth, you get a 30 days training for implementing a new business, online business. So you have a daily task to do, and as long as you follow up with the daily task, you will end up with a full working business at the end of these 30 days. So as I told you, you don't have to wait for these 30 days to be over and to have done all these programs. You can start all over once you do the subscriptions, you get the affiliate links, and then you can get going. So this is the simplest method for starting a side hustle or starting an online business that I know of, and that will, help us as parent of autists get those monthly recurring revenue that will give us that passive income. So if you want to know more, check the link on the description of the video where I am sharing you the access to it, and feel free to comment, or feel free to tell on the comment why you don't want to do this kind of things, so that I can talk about other topics. Oh, and by the way, just want to ask you a favor, guys. I'm here on this journey for helping parent of autist, dad of autist, get a flexible lifestyle. So if you know someone who is a parent of autist, feel free to share with them this video, because the more the merrier, and so that you can also tell me what do you want to see on this channel, what do you want me to cover on this channel. And in the meantime, bye guys.